Hello everyone, Eddie Parrish here with Boomlight. We're here at Reynolds Construction in Dallas, Texas. They've been so kind to let us come into their facility, and today we're going to be doing the install on the mounting bracket for the THOR Paver Lighting System. So anyway, here we go. Now that we have our mounting bracket set up here, our base, rotating base is going to go right up top here. We've got our 3/8 inch bolts right here. Hey everyone, Eddie Parrish here with Boomlight, going over the setup on a cat paver. Just show you how simple it is. We have our mount here, we are our base. Those are already attached. Those do stay with the paver. This vertical rise basically just slides in. This is an 11-pound piece. We just slide it right down in here into the base area. We're gonna rotate this to where we have the two holes up top. They're facing outwards, and that way we can get our cantilever arm in. All right, now that we're up here on our top deck, we're gonna go ahead and unstrap the wiring with the Velcro wrap here. Then we'll go ahead and pull this safety pin out. We're gonna launch this thing right in here. So slides right in there, super easy, ready to go. Okay, and we'll make sure this is all nice and secure. We'll go ahead and drop the line right down on the side where our power is coming in at. So now that we have the power wire dropped down here with our THOR Paver lighting package, we send out a 6-foot and a 10-foot power supply line that you can zip tie. Everything is kind of zip tied right up here to the onboard generator. Now we can kind of follow this along here, that wire dropping down here, and then it simply runs right along here, and that's going to feed the other side for our power for the light right over here. All right, so now that we have the forward cantilever arm in, we have our female power coming right out here. We're just gonna simply undo the knob right up top here. Quite the thread on this, but the reason being, if with vibration, whatever, we've got plenty of room to move here in case the knob should come loose. So we're gonna open up our case, get out our premium custom round high bay, puts out 21,000 lumens, 70-foot candle per light right down to the mat. So simply all we're gonna do, just slide this bad boy right over here. Go ahead and screw this down very tightly. So our power wire here, we're just gonna plug this in. And this side is good to go. Now that we have our power all set up, plugged in, ready to go, obviously it's daytime, so we're not gonna worry about turning it on. All the wiring is coming up right up in here to the onboard generator. So anyway, all we have to do, release your 3/8 inch pin right down here at our rotating base, and as you can see, you have 360 degrees of rotation. So if you want to put this thing right up into the hopper area, you can do that. So as we're paving, all we're going to do here is set it out back here or one click over to the side, and we can set it wherever we need, lock it in position with the pin, and we are good to go. The beauty of this is we can bring it in tighter, we can bring it out wider. If you guys are running a really wide screed, our cantilever arm's 5.5 feet, so you know, we're adding an extra 5.5 feet of light to each side. So that's really gonna spread out the lumen here. So one of the other great features about this product is not only the versatility that we have down at the base by the 360-degree rotation, but also the versatility of the tilt of the light, which is backed up by tightening knobs right up here at the bracket hinge. I would caution really not to point it out that way towards the traffic, creating glare. So either keeping it down or keeping it rotated right back towards the machine. Be safe, be seen out there. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call us.